Next, fourth type of set is infinite set. What is the meaning of infinite set? A set which is not finite is called an infinite set. What is the meaning of not finite? Suppose you take number of stars in the sky. Can you count and tell how many stars are there in the sky? No, we cannot count. If the number cannot be said, cannot be countable, then it is a infinite set. Let us take one example. A, the set of all points on a line. Can you count and tell how many points are there on a straight line? We cannot count. Therefore, A is called a infinite set. Infinite set means we cannot count. So, not finite. Take another example. B, the set of even numbers. What are the even numbers? Starting even number, first even number, lowest even number, 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, it goes on, no ending. So we cannot count how many even numbers are there. Therefore, this is also a infinite set. So many points are on a line, cannot give the number, cannot be countable. So therefore A is called a infinite set. Come to B, even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8. So starting number we can say, next number we can say, like that it goes on. We cannot tell the last number, so we cannot count how many even numbers are there. So again B is also an infinite set. Note, cardinal number or number of elements in a set A is denoted by n of A. Cardinal number, what is the dictionary meaning of cardinal number? Cardinal number means number of elements in a set. Suppose you take set A here. So count how many elements we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the cardinal number of A? We have to use the symbol n of A. N of A is equal to 6. Here A is a finite set. Cardinal number of set A. Here the example is null set. Do you have any element here? No. That means you have to write cardinal number of the null set is 0. In the previous page, I asked you how many fish you have in empty fish tank. No fish. No fish means what is the number you should write? 0. So what is the cardinal number of the null set? N of A is equal to 0. Suppose we have in a set the element 0 here. 0 is also an element. So how many numbers we have here? Only one number. What is that number? 0. So cardinal number of, this is actually singleton set. Only one element means we can call it A as singleton set. Here we can call A as null set. If null set, what is the cardinal number? 0. If singleton set, what is the cardinal number? 1. Next type is equivalent sets. So we have to use the symbol A. Equivalent symbol is this B. Take for example, in the basket we have 2 games items. We'll name the first box as A. What are the items you have in the first box? Ball, bat. Take the second box B. 2 dolls, cat and dog. How many elements you have in first box? 2. How many elements you have in the second box? 2. So cardinal number of A is equal to cardinal number of B. That is n of A is equal to 2, n of B also 2. That means A is equivalent to B. So two finite sets A and B are said to be equivalent if they contain the same number of elements. What is the other word for same number? Cardinal number is equal. Equivalent sets written as A equivalent B. Then when A equivalent to B means cardinal number of A. How do you write cardinal number of A? N of A is equal to cardinal number of B, N of B. So example we have taken A two elements, so n of A is equal to 2. In the set B, we have two elements, therefore n of B is equal to 2. Hence, A is equivalent to B.